How Alia Bhatt became Ranbir Kapoor's pillar of strength in the last few weeks before Rishi Kapoor passed away. Rishi Kapoor is no more among us. This is a big loss for Kapoor family as well as for Bollywood. The actor passed away at 8:45 am on 30th April 2020. He got admitted there on 29th April. This versatile actor was fighting against cancer for last 2 years. This actor has no substitution and the void will never be filled. Rishi and Ranbir had a bittersweet chemistry, but after knowing his father's health status, Ranbir and Rishi became extremely close to each other. Hot-tempered father Rishi turned into supporting one, and Ranbir also has been a great strength to his parents Rishi and Neetu Singh during these hard times. But Ranbir found his strength from his girlfriend Alia Bhatt. Yes, Alia has been with Ranbir during this tough time without any second thought. Over last some years, they became lovers from just being friends in this industry. Rishi was also very happy with Ranbir's choice. Dad Rishi was very fond of Alia and he liked her the day when he met her with Ranbir. Kapoor family and Bhatt family have been seen in Bollywood very frequently. Alia has been spotted with Neetu Singh at Arman Jain's reception party. Alia's mom Soni Razdan is also very close to Ranbir's mom Neetu Kapoor. Both Rishi and Neetu accepted Alia as their would-be daughter-in-law. But Rishi's health was deteriorating for last 1 year. And for this reason, Rishi eagerly wanted that his only son Ranbir ties knot with Alia as soon as possible. Alia was also very close to Rishi Kapoor and was also staying with Ranbir's family during this lockdown phase. Source says that Alia started staying with Kapoor family for last 3 weeks as she didn't want to leave Ranbir in this crucial phase. Rishi loved Alia dearly and Alia and Ranbir had Rishi's blessings to get married. Their marriage was fixed in 2020 as the Rishi Kapoor wanted. Now with this unfortunate demise, that might be put on hold. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.